Hi, my name is Micheline Diab. I'm the owner and general manager of Italy Weddings and Events. I'm really excited to be with you in the Destination Wedding and Romance Travel Industry Conference taking place in Istanbul from the 6th to the 9th of September. Let me tell you a bit about Italy. Based between Italy and Lebanon, we are a group of international professionals operating on destination weddings and events in Europe and the Middle East. We provide a full service, planning, designing, coordinating experience to couples and mainly to Arab couples. I'm really happy to be speaking at the conference taking place in Istanbul and being a member of the association IABWP. I'm also looking forward in exchanging experience with other speakers who will be on board in September, sharing our own expertise and listening to their own expertise as well. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the team of IABWP for all their efforts and support and professional work. See you in Istanbul.